This is a gaming tablet, a productivity tool, and an ultra pro, ultra smooth all-in-one tablet for students and office workers. This is the brand new OnePlus Pad 2. In terms of appearance, it clearly continues the OnePlus family design with a celadon color and integrated metal body, making it very simple and stylish. The body thickness is only 5.99 millimeters, making it very thin and light to hold, and very convenient to carry in a bag when going out. The front features a 12.1-inch 3K ultra clear screen, which is truly enjoyable for watching videos on a large screen. The full screen viewing effect is more immersive, and the bezel control is very well done. The picture details are especially delicate and clear, with a peak brightness of 900 nits, making the screen still clearly visible in strong outdoor light.
Additionally, there is a dedicated eye protection mode for gaming, which greatly alleviates fatigue from using the device for long periods in low light or completely dark environments. 144Hz esports level high refresh rate screen.
The gaming experience on the large screen is truly enjoyable. With the support of the Dimensity 9400 Plus processor, mainstream large-scale games can easily run at full frame rate. Especially in PC Elite, it can achieve a 3K plus 144Hz ultra resolution and ultra frame gaming experience, making the graphics more high definition and detailed and allowing in-game operations to be faster. At this time, PC Elite runs continuously at 3K and 144Hz for half an hour, with an average frame rate of 143.7 frames, and the 1% low frame rate even reaches 104.8 frames. The highest temperature of the tablet is only 32 degrees, and the battery drop is only 11%. The 10,420 mAh large battery is indeed durable. These days, I just pick it up and use it directly, watch videos, play games, and when I check the remaining battery, there's no need to charge it at all. What's more impressive is that even if you don't use it for a long time, its standby power consumption is very low. In short, you can use it anytime, and there's always power. The large battery allows you to do whatever you want. Besides playing games smoothly, it is definitely a productivity tool. It comes with ColorOS 16 right out of the box, with seamless scene animations that are just as smooth on the big screen. Swipe down with 2 fingers to open split screen, allowing you to watch videos while writing notes. Each window can be individually enlarged, making switching back and forth more practical. The key is that it can achieve up to 3 split screens. Look at the individual enlargement and the switching. The animation is really smooth, truly deserving of its reputation. Do you think that's all? Open the sidebar to select an app, and you can add 2 more small windows. It also supports freely adjusting the floating window display ratio to ensure important windows do not overlap. This means on this 12-inch large screen, you can operate 5 apps simultaneously. Isn't that efficient? Added super auto extraction. When in split screen mode, you can use the circle selection feature to directly screenshot content from the web page and insert it into notes while taking notes. You can also click to recognize text for free copying when using handwriting input in documents. Activate the real-time beautification feature, and after selecting your preferred font, no matter how you write, it will optimize it into beautiful handwriting worthy of being called an AI calligraphy master. Students can finally take classroom notes with ease and confidence. When recording, activate the AI recording assistant, and it can automatically transcribe the speech and then intelligently generate a summary. Open AI writing, give it a topic, and it can help you write work summaries, speech drafts, and even automatically generate social media content. It's as convenient as having a personal secretary. Performance maxed out, experience maxed out, efficiency maxed out. You can game, work, and study. Do you like this OnePlus screen too?